there, dream explorers. Have you ever woken up from a wild dream where you cheated on your partner? Yeah, those dreams can leave you feeling like you just rode a roller coaster in your sleep. But guess what? You're not alone. According to the fantastic Sarah Gundel, a clinical psychologist from the Big Apple, dreams about cheating are pretty darn common. But hold up, before you start questioning your loyalty or your relationship, let's dive into this dreamy mystery. Now, dreams are like a wild, secret language our brains speak at night. They're not always about what they seem. Dr. Gundel suggests that dreams about cheating might not actually be about wanting to cheat. They could be sneaky messages from your subconscious about something entirely different. Think of it like a metaphorical nudge from your brain, maybe hinting at something you're keeping hidden or a part of your life that needs a spotlight. And hey, here's a fun fact. Dreams are like movies playing in our heads while we snooze, complete with smells, sounds, and emotions. Sometimes they feature characters from our lives, like that random barista or your high school crush, but it doesn't mean you secretly have feelings for them. So, if you found yourself tangled in a dream where you were caught red-handed or had a heart-to-heart after cheating, pay attention to how it made you feel. Did you feel relieved, guilty, or maybe even excited? Those feelings are the real gems when it comes to decoding these dreamy puzzles. Now, here's where it gets interesting, keeping a dream diary. Yup, it's like having a Netflix account for your dreams. Jot down every juicy detail as soon as you wake up. Trust me, dreams can vanish quicker than a Snapchat message, so write down everything, characters, events, and how it made you feel. And should you spill the dream beans to your partner? Well, Dr. Gundel suggests it's more about what the dream means to you. Some partners might feel a bit iffy hearing about dreamy dalliances, so it's totally cool to keep it to yourself if it's not a big deal to you. And here's the kicker, dreaming about someone you know doesn't automatically mean you've got the hots for them. Our brains are crafty, using familiar faces like placeholders in our dream scripts. But if these dreams are becoming your nightly feature film, causing a stir of emotions you can't shake off, it might be time to chat with a therapist. Therapy isn't just for decoding dreams, it's like having a personal Sherlock Holmes for your mind, helping you untangle those subconscious knots. So, here's the bottom line, dreams about cheating might feel like a drama series, but they're often trying to tell you something deeper. They're like riddles wrapped in emotions, waiting for you to decode them. Remember, dreamers, it's not about the dream, it's about how it makes you feel. So, grab that dream diary and start decoding those midnight adventures. Who knows what secrets your dreams are dying to spill? So, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and until next time, snooze on.